Email integration. 5 p.m. works well with email. Whenever you add or modify anything in 5 p.m., you can send an email notification to your coworkers. For example, you can email them when you add a new project or task or when you post a new message. You can email individual people, the project or the task team, or the clients. There are also shortcuts to pre-select people from the project and task teams. Those people are listed on the top of the list. You can also hide the non-selected people from this view. These people will get an email from 5 p.m. Make sure they check their spam folder if they did not locate the email. In this example, the email states that you added a message to a task, and it includes the content of that message. The direct link to it is included at the bottom. But your coworkers do not need to leave their email box to reply to your message. Instead of opening 5 p.m., they can simply reply to this email notification the same way they reply to any other email. And their reply will end up back in 5 p.m. as a message posted into the same project or task. You can find useful email integration flags in global settings. If your team keeps forgetting to select the email option, there are flags to pre-select the project team, task team, or clients when adding projects, tasks, or messages. When replying to an email notification, the reply will end up in 5 p.m., but your team will not get an email notification about it. There is a flag to address that. It will make all original recipients of the email notification to also get an email when somebody replies to that notification. Creating tasks from emails. You can also create tasks from your emails. Simply send or forward an email to the email address linked to your 5 p.m. account. You can find it in global settings. Let's create a quick task from an email. We will use an existing email and just forward it to 5 p.m. It may take a couple of minutes before the new task appears in 5 p.m. By default, a single task will be created outside of projects. If you want, you can easily drag it into an existing project. The email subject will become the task name. The content will be added to task description, and any attachments will be posted into this task. If the email was also sent to other people, and they are existing users in your 5 p.m. account, they will be added to the tasks team. Posting a task to a specific project will require adding the project name in square brackets at the end of the email subject. It does not have to be the full project name. Just the first words or a word will do. You can also locate and copy the subject lines for projects and tasks in the Info tab. In a similar way, you can post messages to existing tasks. You can even post progress notes into tasks via email. You can read more about it in the help manual. The link is included in this video's description. There is also an easier way to create tasks from emails by using our Gmail and Outlook add-ons. Find out more about them in the help manual. The links are included in this video's description. Email integration can help your team to work more efficiently with 5 p.m. Go ahead, give it a try, and get more done by 5 p.m.